Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to check login activity in Instagram. First thing first, log into your Instagram account, then go to the home page. Tap the circle with your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now tap the three horizontal bars at the top right and from the menu select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Security. Under the password section, select login activity, and here you'll see a list of all places and devices where your account has been logged in. Now Instagram will show maps with locations and device used. If you recognize the login, tap "This was me" and confirm. If you don't recognize it, just tap "This wasn't me." Instagram will then ask you to change your password for security. Under where you're logged in, you'll see active sessions like you can tap the three dots next to any session and select logout to end that session. And that's it. You've now checked your Instagram login activity and cleared any suspicious logins right from your mobile device. Thank you guys for watching and please be sure to like and subscribe for more.